In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and add categories in an Odoo website step by step. This is a must-know process if you're running an e-commerce store on Odoo and want to organize your products properly so customers can easily find what they're looking for. Categories play a huge role in navigation, user experience, and even SEO inside your Odoo site. We'll walk through everything from creating a new category to assigning products to it. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Odoo tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Odoo dashboard. Once you're inside Odoo, start from the home screen. This is where all your installed apps are visible. From here, locate and click on the eCommerce app. This app is where all your online store settings, products, and categories are managed. After opening the eCommerce app, look for the option called Categories. This section controls how products are grouped and displayed on your website. Go ahead and click on Categories to open the Category Management page. Here, you'll see a list of any existing categories already created in your Odoo site. To create a new category, click on the New button. This opens a form where you can define your new category. In the name field, type the category name you want to create. For this example, we're going to type Dress. This category can later be used to group all dress-related products in your store. Once you've entered the category name, double-check everything and then click Save. That's it. Your new category is now created inside Odoo. At this point, the category exists, but it doesn't have any products assigned to it yet, so let's do that next. Now that the category is created, go back to the eCommerce app again. This time, click on Products. This section contains all the products available in your Odoo store. From the Products page, click on the New button to create a new product, or you can open an existing product if you already have one. Inside the product form, you'll see different fields related to the product details. Look for the category or e-commerce category field. From the drop-down list, select the category you just created, which in our case is dress. This assigns the product to that category so it will appear correctly on your website. After assigning the category, fill in the rest of the product details as needed, such as product name, price, and description. When you're done, click Save to apply the changes. Your product is now linked to the new category and will show up under that category on your Odoo e-commerce website. And that's how easy it is to create and add categories in an Odoo site. Proper category management helps keep your store organized and improves the shopping experience for your customers. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who's learning Odoo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.